Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website as a custom shortcut icon on your home screen in NOKIA XR21. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Chrome. Here, find the website that you want to add as a shortcut icon. In this case, I'm going to go for our own website, hardreset.info. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. You might as well see it as a arrow pointing up button. Right here, it's this red one thing. Now we can scroll down and find Add to Home Screen. Here, name your icon however you like, preferably as your website's name. Then we can click on Add to Home Screen. Now let's go back. And right here in the last available space, it should show up. We can click on it to instantly open this website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.